The quarterly report is out. What is the latest housing forecast from the National Association of Realtors? Hi, I am Sumashri, the realtor and real estate broker in the SF Bay Area. Here are some of the key highlights from the latest NAR report on the state of the housing market in US. Pending home sales increased to 3.4% nationally in March over last year. We saw an uptick in the contract signings in the Northeast, South and West regions, but also a slight dip in the Midwest. As pointed out by NAR Chief Economist Lawrence Yu, as we see an increase in pending sales, meaningful gains will only occur with declining mortgage rates and rising inventory. NAR also forecasts that existing home sales will rise by 9% in 2024 to 4.46 million homes from 4.09 million in 2023. They are predicting that inventory will grow with more new home construction and life-changing events that will require homeowners to sell, move up or relocate. Median home prices will increase 1.8% in 2024 to 398,800,000. We will continue to see home prices rise, and it is noted that most homeowners are in a strong financial situation with their equity and current market conditions, with only 2% of sales being distressed or foreclosures. NAR also expects home sales to steadily improve and prices to hit record highs in some regions. Of course, this report looks like we are trending in the right direction, but as we know, the real estate market is very volatile and ever changing. If you would like to know more about what is happening in your particular local area and the home prices, days on the market and inventory, please reach out to my team and me so that we can give you a complete report on what is happening in real estate in your neighborhood. Once again, this is Sumashri, the real estate broker with tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.